Yo, what's going on, everybody? We are doing a emergency price action stream because Bitcoin is going down. I gotta manage my my channel for a second. I kind of fudged my first attempt at this emergency stream. Let me see. Bitcoin is going down. Let's see. How do I... Yeah, there we go. Okay, I fixed my problem. I'm happy now. But yeah, Bitcoin is going down. I'm gonna wait a minute for a couple of people to arrive. Until then, I'll probably just mumble to myself a little bit. Welcome everybody. Welcome. How's everyone's Sunday night going? Let me know in the chat. Hit that like button as you come in, please. A like is always appreciated. If you enjoy my voice, if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. If you're feeling generous, you can send me some money. Everything's in the description down below. There's usually some good jokes down there too. If you go in there and read each description, I put a sprinkle a little bit of humor in there. Could be better me, or could be better your day, Hoffs. I hope your day goes better. I hope you have a wonderful... you know what? I'm going to manifest right now. Hoffs is going to have an amazing week. It's going to be a badass week for Hoffs. He's going to sell a shit ton of tools. He's going to eat some bomb-ass fucking street food or whatever they got down in Florida. And maybe he'll try some edibles or something. But maybe not. Maybe he doesn't need substances. Maybe he just is high on life. But I think Hoffs is going to have a hell of a week. Manifesting Hoffs' destiny. Exactly. I guess the stream kind of made the price chill out a little bit. We're helping the market. And I just placed an order for a 7-layer dip. It is being made as we speak. I might also need to get a beverage soon. Yeah, we looked at this earlier. Honestly, I can't remember if I said it was going to cool off or not. It has been pretty green. Ryan, yeah, Bath said 64.7, 64.3 points of interest. I concur. We're at 64.7 right now, so that's great. Let's see. Earlier when I was looking, I pointed out. Okay, yeah, I'm looking at 64.3 right here as where these candles closed, got rejected, came back down, and then it busted through that. So that could be a retest and then a continuation up. Hopefully break through this upper trend line. That's what I'm looking at personally. And then, I don't remember where the next one was. 64.3, and then probably down here-ish, where all these candles are, which is 60. That's awful. We're not going to talk about that right now. Yeah, I don't know. That's just going off of candlesticks that have closed in the past. Bronson's real name is that That's not Bronson. There's no way. Is it? Action Ryan? Action Ryan sounds kind of badass. Yeah, I don't know if we're going down for good right now, but it did the same thing right here. It didn't hit the trend line, the upper trend line, and it retraced all the way back down to the lower trend line. So, but we got 3 hits to the downside, so I would still expect it to go up, but it has been pretty hot, and we are entering into, like, tomorrow. The end of the day tomorrow is the monthly close. So we got the 3 hits to the downside. If it is an inverse head and shoulders, I don't know where the neck. I think the neckline would technically be this upper trend line, wouldn't it? Unless, I guess right now it's setting that up. Maybe that's it. So maybe I'm gonna totally fabricate my own TA right now. Let's say the price does this. It rejects off of that, comes down here, bounces off of this, breaks through this, comes down here, and continues up. That's just complete speculation. I pulled it out of my ass. Technical analysis. Technical ass. I guess anal is already in analysis, so we don't have to we don't have to try and make it any more butt related. That'd be my guess. Or that's a guess of mine. I guess I wouldn't call it my guess because it is kind of stupid. But I don't know. I mean, these candles kind of line up. It's resistance right here. It broke through, and you can see from the candlesticks it was resistance right here for a couple of days. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Broke through. Retested. Support. Right here, resistance. Support. Broke through. And now it's retesting this support. So there's definitely like support and resistance lines everywhere. You guys are talking about religion and stuff. You can tell it's Sunday. You can tell it's a Sunday evening right now. Let's see. Let's go to the 15-minute again. We still got more red candles. Yeah. Yeah, it's looking like it wants to roll over. This is scary, guys. I'm scared. What are we gonna do? Woo. Yeah, it might get spicy here for a second. Might get real spicy. You guys are having your own conversation in chat right now. Short it to 0. That's gotta be Bronson. Peter Dell, any to thought on mantra ohm? Let me see. Mantra ohm. Let's see. MANTRA. Okay, mantra Dow. Okay, X. I guess that's the only one that's. Well, no, it's on KuCoin here. Which one's gonna have more volume? I'll try this one for now. Mantra Dow. OM. The market's pulling back right now, so this is probably going to pull back with everything else. But this is on the 15-minute. Let me go to the higher time frame. I feel like I'm familiar with the name for some reason. So it's kind of got a recurring theme here. If you wanted me to fully speculate, just using my eyeballs, I would say this right here, this pattern, is this pattern, and it's kind of repeating, and it gets bigger every time. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to put this here. Totally guessing, without actually increasing the size of this thing either. Let me. maybe look for 160 for the on the high end. But everything's trying to retrace right now. That's purely speculation, not financial advice. Do your own research. But I mean, if it's got the hype behind it and we're entering into a bull market, it's probably going to go up. It is in an uptrend right now, so you could see some retracement. It might want to go back down and retest that dollar, because that's a psychological level, and it was resistance here for a little bit, and during the sideways price action, it broke out. It looks like it wanted to retest it, but there was too much bullish momentum, so it might go back down and retest it. It might not go down that far. It might come back down just to retest this 116, 117. Could go down to this 105. Could go all the way down to $1. Just looking at previous resistance, it's going to try to turn that into support. So again, this is technical analysis, purely speculation. Do with that what you will. Everyone, make your own adult decisions. Bitcoin, man, this is on the 4 hour. We got a minus 1.66% already on the 4 hour, which is also the daily, because we got a new daily at 8 p.m. Let's go down to the 15-minute again. Yeah, look at that volume. Woo! There's those liquidations. Bronson said that there's big liquidations. I think he said at 63.4. Looking at the heat map. Yeah, I got merch. I got merch offs. Check the description. Let me see if I can put the link in the chat. Actually, you guys want some? It has nothing to do with crypto. It's just cute little ghosts. There is horse guy merch though. Go check it out. We got some OG horse guys in there. We got Sleepy Ghost. There's Coffee Ghost, Beanie Ghost. It's fun. Any thoughts on Arrow? Peter Dell. Let's go check out Arrow. Let's see. Can Bitcoin turn this around and make a green candle? That's probably exactly what's gonna happen. Fuckers. Arrow. This is a DeFi project. Aerodome Finance, if I'm correct. Yep. Aerodrome Finance. I don't want to look at Coinbase's chart though. I guess let's go to Gate.io. Ooh. Okay, this looks like it had a big pump and then a decent sized retrace. If you look right here, there's a lot of candles closed right around this area. This was resistance for quite a while, and then it broke through strong right here. Retested it and then exploded. So it's probably, again, technical analysis. You got to kind of make your own decisions based on this. Just looking at those candles back there, that might be the bottom. But it could bust right through that and continue to the downside. Really no way of telling. It's kind of doing a similar thing that it did back here. Maybe it's going to go up again and make this same pattern. A little more bigger valley. I don't know. It did not, so that is a lower high. This is just on the 15-minute though, so it is an overall uptrend still. I don't know. Chart looks decent. That might have been it right there. That might have been the long. Not financial advice. Back to Bitcoin. Get a green candle coming. Pretty cool, pretty cool. We like it. Okay, we got the... Let's see if I can pull this up on here. Beautiful. Alright, liquidation heat map. Is this what I'm supposed to be looking at? Why does it look fugly? Is this live? Can't they use TradingView? Yeah, I guess I don't really know what to make of this. Liquidation leverage. Okay, it's telling you how much leverage there's. Liquidate. 0. Good news, guys. We did it. We beat the bears. We liquidated everybody. We're good to go. Good day from Australia, Peter Dell. Good day. Australia's pretty badass. I don't know. I don't know if anybody outside of Australia could actually survive in Australia. You guys got some gnarly stuff over there. But Australia does like Cardano, so by default, I like Australia. I have a very heavy bias towards Cardano. The people that are regulars here know that. Heat map looks like a part from the Predator. It does. It does. I agree. You have to actually have all of the Predator's hardware to be able to read this. It's just kind of hurts my brain. There's candles going up and down, and then there's these sideways things. Like, who's getting liquidated here? Shorts? 36.9 million? Why don't we come up for that, guys? Come on. Letting those guys win? Right here? Is that so? What's the yellow mean? It doesn't really explain to me who's getting liquidated, bulls or bears. Like, obviously up here getting liquidated has to be bears shorting. So yeah, I guess it makes sense that the ones above are bears shorting, and then below would be bulls longing. See, I guess this doesn't look really attractive enough to me. I like this big fat yellow 46.46 million. I say we go for that, guys. I'm gonna make a few calls, see if we can get that liquidated, and then continue to the upside. Do I know of Lido? It's making heaps of money. Isn't that just liquid staking for like illiquid coins? I know Lido does ETH liquid staking, and I think if I'm correct, didn't they start doing liquid staking for other illiquid coins? I could be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let's see. Okay. All right. That candle's getting eaten up. That's good for the bears. I feel like we could do a little more cooling off personally. You know, I'm not mad at the dumpage. Ooh, look at that. Oof. That's mean. That is a mean candle. Man. Yeah, we were struggling there for a minute, and then it just decided it didn't want to go anymore. This might be a bear trap, though. This is that level right there. 64.3, 64.4. I don't know. It's anyone's guess right now. Liquidation heat map's kind of boring to like watch full time, because nothing really, like, what does it do when something happens? The color just changes. I guess that's the same thing with regular charts. So I'm just like actively talking shit about something that I don't understand. 15-minute again. A lot of volume on these two big red boys. 854, 725. Majority selling. What's ETH doing? Yeah. It looks like everything's just repeating these little dumpy humps. Dumpy humps. I think that in my personal opinion, I think 2025 is going to be the big bull market, at least the start of it. But I do think that we could start to set up some momentum in this Q4. Yeah, I'm just kind of seeing similar things playing out. It's probably going to be a deep retrace. Everyone's going to get bearish and, you know, flip-flop, and then it's going to go right back up like it did before. Right here, deep retrace, go right back. I'm just going to copy this whole thing. And see, it's sloppy. Bars patterns are sloppy. But it's probably just going to linger right here, and then gradually, and everyone's going to be like, you guys are dumb for buying. And it's going to go down a little bit here, and they're going to be like, see, I told you so. and then it's going to start to go up again. Same thing. See, I told you so. And then it's going to peak right here. And then they're going to start buying. And then it's going to retrace again. And then they're going to sell. And then they're going to be like, I told you guys you're stupid for buying. And it's just going to repeat over and over again. That's how the market makers make money. That's how the exchanges make money. It's in everyone's best interest that everyone that's trading loses as much money as possible, except for the big players, because they're the ones making all the money. Yeah. Yep. It's getting red, guys. Getting red. Draw the higher low trend line. Where? On ETH? There's no higher low trend line. These are lower lows. The big one? Yeah, right there. That's beautiful. Good job. Good job, Hoffs. That was a test. I was testing you. Let me go like this and pull it back down. We're going to use the candle or the wicks for this because it makes sense. That might be it. But it hasn't always been like this. See, this is kind of a curve. You go like, woo. So hopefully it doesn't just do a broader bearish situation. Let me go to higher time frame. Let me go to 4 hour. It might, uh-oh. This is that fugly, this is that fugly, what do you even call this? A descending wedge? It's a fugly falling wedge that I drew earlier. Hopefully that's not anything of significance, because my brain wants to go like this now, which would be crazy for ETH to go down to 21. I'm checking the chat right now. Oh, here you go, Ryan. I'm sorry, Hoffs. I think I fucked it up for you. Let's see. Lido. Let's go look at Lido. I'm sick of looking at ETH, guys. I didn't know Lido had a coin. Maybe I did know that and I just blocked it out of my mind. 21 shares Lido. I want Lido USD. Coinbase. Meh. I'll do OKX again. Tether. Lido number go up. What is this based on, though? People are trading this for what? Like, is this just, it's the DAO? Okay, the DAO. So you have to own a significant amount of this to vote. I think, do they collect the staking fees from this too? I'm not sure. All I see is a double bottom, and this is where it's trying to break this right now. Yeah, look, see? It went down, it broke through wherever this is from. Probably, I don't know if it's from somewhere in the past, I can't find it. It broke through this 135 area, came back, retested it, flipped it into resistance, came back down here, and then it kind of traded sideways for a little bit, tried to break through, resistance again, trade sideways, accumulation, resistance again. It might go back down, it might try to break through it again, right here. What I would like to see is a little bit of retrace, probably $1.20, and then break through it. That's what my brain tells me to look for. That's Lido. What else you guys got? Let's look at Chili's for Hoffs. Chili's. DJ made a funny Chili's joke in his video. The Chili's baby back ribs. I don't know if I've ever eaten there. I vividly remember all of the commercials though. This is, let me check total 3 in comparison to this. 1, 2, 3, starting in July. Yep, 1, 2, 3, starting in July. Okay, so that's what I see. Triple bottom, inverse head and shoulders kind of set up. 2, I probably covered this like 7 times because it's everywhere. But total 3 kind of representing all the alts right now, all the well-known higher end alts. My pessimistic brain right now sees a Head and Shoulders, but I've never actually genuinely, I don't think I've ever watched a Head and Shoulders, or technically an inverse Head and Shoulders, play out in either direction in favor. I think I've seen them invalidate more than anything. There was a big pump here. What was that for? September 25th. Huge 10% candle, following by 4.5% candle. So volume's picking up. That volume's picking up for sure. And it looks more sustained than previous. Back in May, June, had a decent chunk of volume. So this might be the start of a little high volume trade zone for Chili's. Punky. Hold on, let's take a look at Bitcoin again. Still 1.65% red candle. ETH is bouncing off that trend line. Yeah, this might have just been a fake out, guys. I don't know. Don't quote me on that, because it might not be. This is what I want to see. Maybe. See, this is where TA gets a little fuzzy for me, because I'm like, I can just kind of make up whatever I want. Look at all the lines I've already drawn, making stuff up. But it is, maybe it's psychological. Maybe this is the way that people see things, because I'm seeing it this way, so there must be something there that's doing it. But we got a, I'm going to call this a ascending, I don't even know what you would call that, channel, ascending channel. And it was trading above that, and it broke below it. So maybe that's a sweet spot. There's too much confluence and correlation. This is why I kind of clown on TA a little bit, guys. I'm trying though. I'm trying here. Could see 63.2 if these lines mean anything at all. But again, I'm just kind of making them up. But that's kind of what TA is. And maybe I'm just saying that from an uneducated standpoint. Never counter trade Byron. What did Byron say? Byron say something? Oh no. Fahid in the Discord said, does anyone find it strange that we haven't had a flash crash? That's pretty terrifying. Hoffs, I am out of my comfort zone not looking at ADA charts. Are you crazy? I've never done this shit. Let me pull up ADA. I'll tell you exactly what's going to happen. Nothing. It's going to do nothing because that's kind of what it does. Look at this. Look at this. It's just sideways. It's probably going to be around 30 to 40 cents. I bet you that's what's going to happen. Ooh, we do got double-digit viewers. Let's go. Guys, I went a little crazy. Hoffs told me to draw a bunch of lines on the chart, so that's what I did. Don't blame me. We were looking at something. This right here. These 3 hits to the upside. And I pulled this line down here because of this candle here, and this little resistance area here. This is my reluctant TA for this pullback. I'm going to leave this on the chart, actually. I'm going to leave it on the chart, so that way, if it happens right now, or we can look back at it tomorrow, depending on how long we can be on stream, that would be pretty sick if it came down to 62.8 and just bounced off of that. Actually, you know what? It would make me even happier if it didn't go that low. I would like for it to just obey this, whatever this support is. It was a resistance in the past, and now it's flipped into support, hopefully. But it doesn't look like that's going to happen. And I also kind of want to draw this like that. No, never mind. I'm just making stuff up. What do we got? Oh yeah, Ponk. I'm sorry. We're supposed to look at Ponk. Punky? How do you say it? Do you say it like donkey, or is it just ponk? How do you pronounce it? Ponk can only do. I'm dyslexic today. Ponk can do okay. It's Solana's meme coin with low supply max. Okay. I like that they have charts on TradingView. That's actually exciting. Usually meme coins don't have TradingView charts. And it's got a history. Look at this. This thing's just like ADA. It's at the same price too. But it's gone up to 70 cents recently, so maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, this is just kind of doing the same thing that everything else is doing. But it is a Solana meme coin. Maybe it's got potential. See right here. Resistance, resistance. Broke through. Support. Blasting off. Again, guys, I'm just kind of drawing lines that I see in my brain. So if you're looking at this and you're like, that doesn't make any sense, this guy's an idiot, you're probably right. Yeah, there's a trend line right there. A bullish trend. That's what I see here. It is kind of flat though. I guess it's not. It's going between 20 and 40, so that's 100% gain. So there's your recency bias. I said it was flat and it's a fucking 100% gain. But yeah, this thing looks good. But again, that 100% gain, when did that happen? Between over this whole month, so it might be due for a little retrace. Let's see, it went from, let me just use the ruler. 67, 80. So it's up 80%. Past 23 days. That's pretty good. But yeah, might be due for a retrace. I don't know what the market cap is. I don't know what the tokenomics look like. I don't know what the distribution looks like. I don't know who holds what. I don't know anything about this project. But they got TradingView charts, so they're established. Let's go back to Bitcoin. 4 hour. 1.88. Okay, so we are getting some downwards momentum. Bronson is winning. We have to defeat Bronson. Punk website is cool. Let's look at the Punk website, because we know Bitcoin's going down. It's not going to do anything else besides go down. I really want to say Punky. Punk? We're all Punk. Oh, this is one of Pepe's friends, isn't it? Swap Sniper Wars. They got a snipe bot? That's pretty sick. Put on a helmet. This is actually very similar art style to Horse Guy, which is just amateur artist art. 200 million market cap. That's pretty nice. It's over 100 million, but it's less than a billion. Revolt. They're on Bybit. Oh my god, they got on crypto.com. It's hard enough to even get your money on crypto.com. OKX, Gate.io, HTX, PolyNX, WooX. I've never actually seen anything about this Woo. I think they have a blockchain too, don't they? Oh my gosh, they're everywhere else. Holy cow. I miss MXC so bad, guys. They enforce their KYC, and I'm too lazy to get a fucking VPN. So I gotta settle for something else. Which there's a referral link down in the description. If you guys want to sign up and trade and use leverage, do so at your own discretion. This is not financial advice, but there is a referral link for Bitunix in the description. Check that out. And I think I share some fees. Like I make some money if you sign up using that link. No pressure. Punk utilities, seamlessly integrated and community powered. Expanding ecosystem communities. So this is your basic meme coin. It's actually not basic. I lied. This is impressive. I'm impressed. They walk you through how to do it. Yeah, I like this. Tokenomics. But he's a greedy son of a bitch and wants to keep them all to himself. This is fun. I like this. Maybe I might buy some Punk. Not right now. I'm not going to do it on stream. But I like it. I like it a lot. Let me add it. Let me add it to my trading view. That'll remind me later to buy some. I guess I'll add the frickin' MXC chart, even though I can't use MXC. Damn it. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. What are you doing? So RSI is oversold on the 15-minute, but that usually means squat. We are about to hit 20. Oh no, 40. I'm sorry. We're about to hit 40 on the RSI on the 4-hour, which is usually, based on what I've seen in the past, an area. Yeah, see, it usually tries to hold this 40 if it's bullish. So we'll have to see what happens there. Let's actually look at the daily. There was bullish divergence on the daily, but it was like long-term bullish div. Yeah, see? So we did look it up, and according to Google, when you are measuring bullish or bearish, I didn't actually check bearish. When you're measuring bullish divergence, you do not take the wicks into consideration. So having said that, we have our trend line going down. So we got lower lows. And when you're measuring for bullish divergence, hidden or otherwise, you are measuring the bottom price action in the bottom of the RSI. And you want them to be the opposite. So one of them is bullish, one of them's hidden bullish. I couldn't tell you the difference, but as long as they're opposite, then you're good. So because the price action here is going down, we're getting lower lows. The RSI here recently is higher lows, and because those are opposing right here, you got lower lows and higher lows. That is bullish divergence. Now bearish divergence would be the top of the price action. So because this is going down, if the RSI is going up, then that would be bearish divergence. So we already have our trend line right here. Price action is going down. And right here, the RSI is either flat or also going down. So there is no bearish divergence right now, which is a good thing. Oh, Hoff's just said XRP pumps, and it's ending the runs now. Let's actually look at XRP. I think I took them off my trading view list not too long ago. Everyone was hyping this up like it was mooning, and it really isn't. I guess it went from 40 down up to 60, so that's a 50% gain. That's pretty decent, but it's only 63 cents, you know. Like I don't wanna be a dick because I feel like everyone's a dick to XRP, but this is super sideways, man. I would be very upset if I was an XRP holder. You gotta get out when it does these pumps, but then you feel the FOMO and you think it might, you know, have some kind of sustained pump. Man, that's scary. Like, look at that difference. Psh, I don't even want to look at an XRP Bitcoin chart. I'm gonna get fucking castrated by the XRP army. BitBoy's gonna come after me. He's gonna steal my company. Man, what a saga that was, right? The whole BitBoy drama. I don't know, his story always intrigued me. I thought it was really cool. He used to be like, he was a self-admitted drug addict, and he got clean, and then he built his crypto empire. He was the largest subscribed YouTube channel in all of crypto. And then he went and cheated on his wife and relapsed. And then he tried to justify it, or just he didn't give a shit. Like, the dude's got kids. I don't know. I have no respect for that guy. I think he's an asshole. I would love to interview him, honestly, because I think I could fucking tear him apart. But I also don't think I would ever be able to get a single word in. Seeing his video with Chico Crypto, Chico was kind of cringy on his part too. He was like, "You fat fuck," like he couldn't think of a good insult, which is pretty cringy. They're both pretty bad if you ask me. But anyways, I'm getting distracted. Like the stream, everybody, please. It helps out a lot. If you're new here, if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. We're trying to get to 600 subs, and I will do a face reveal. And at 1,000 subs, we'll probably do something at 1,000. I don't know what. Maybe we'll vote or something like that. Check out the description. We got a link to our Discord in the description. Hoffs is the king of the Discord, so talk to him. Go there. Hoffs actually sells power tools too if you need power tools. Amped up power tools. I think it's amped up tools. Amped-up.tools. I don't know if the website's done yet. Harass him about it. Let's look at crypto again. Looks like Bitcoin wants to try to go up again. This is on the 15-minute. The candles aren't doing anything for me, if I'm being completely honest. ETH looks like it's obeying my little trend line here. Look at that. That's pretty cool. That's the trend line that Hoffs told me to draw. Good job, Hoffs. Nice looking out. I like that. Let's see if I can do that on ADA. Nope. Oh man. See what I mean? Come on. You can't make this shit up. Bitcoin dominance. Ooh, Bitcoin dominance is going down. That's funny. Usually, sometimes when Bitcoin dumps, dominance goes up because people are dumping alts even more. But that's not happening right now, so I wonder what that means. Maybe they're just doing stop hunts, trying to liquidate as many people as possible. Bitcoin price corrects recent gains. Is a deeper dip coming? This is from 11 minutes ago. Let's check this out. Oh, that's not the right article. What the hell? Where'd it go? Am I crazy? Bitcoin price corrects. Let me just Google that, I guess. Recent gains. Where's that from? Is a deeper dip coming? How to find an article with no direct link. Oh, I found it. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Shield your eyes, guys. I'm so sorry. I don't think that there's a dark mode on this website. I apologize in advance. Alright, let's see. Bitcoin price extended its increase above 66,000. Bitcoin is now correcting gains below 65.5 and might continue. Why does it say that? It's worded so weird. Bitcoin is now correcting gains? Who says that? Correcting... Yeah, it says it multiple times, too. What the heck? Who's writing these articles, man? Yeah, you're right, Hoffs. Altcoins really didn't dump. It's quite odd. See. Yeah, Bitcoin's down 1.82%. ETH is down 1.48. Even ADA's holding up. 1.71. SWI I'm expecting a little bit of downside from because that thing had monster run. Cass couldn't care less about anything, to be completely honest. Link, everything's kind of down the same, like 1 or 2%. Punk's down 4, but again, that had a huge run as well. That's kind of weird, isn't it? It seems like people are packing their bags and they're waiting, you know? Everyone's like holding strong, holding steady. I don't know. It looks good to me. The Fu Manchu indicator. What's the actual indicator called? I thought it was Crypto Faces indicator. I don't remember what it's called though. We got a little green dot down here. I'm not sure what that means. Green is usually good. Means go. So maybe we're gonna go up. I don't know. If you guys know what that actual indicator is called, let me know in the chat. I don't remember. I can't remember for the life of me. I've been trying to think of it for like 3 days. It's Crypto Faces indicator. And the free version of it is called Fu Manchu. And also, for some reason, my brain just goes to Crypto Lifer, and that's just another crypto streamer. And I don't even watch any of these people. Oh. Alright, let's go back to this funky article. Bitcoin price starts downside correction. Do these people just like, I guess I could write articles too. You're just kind of like announcing the obvious. There was a break below short-term bullish trend line with support at 65,750 on the hourly chart. And it's now trading below 65. Yeah, we're at 64.5 right now. The bulls are now trying to protect the 64.5 zone. If there's a fresh increase, the price could face resistance near the 65,250. The first key resistance is near the 65.5 level. A clear move above the 65.5 resistance might send the price higher. Okay. Your mom, thank you very much. I do have a sexy voice. Hoffs always tells me that. There's nothing I can do about it. He won't leave me alone about it. More losses in Bitcoin. If Bitcoin fails to rise above the 65.5 resistance zone, it could continue to move down. Immediate support on the downside is near the 64.2 level. That's not too bad. We're almost there. Let's put that on our chart. 64.2. Bear with me. I got one here. 64.2. Let's see if that does anything. Let's take a look at our ETH trend line again too. This thing bounced right off that trend line. That's great. That looks good. I like that. I might have to start trading ETH. Yeah, Bitcoin, it looks like the dumpage is slowing down. Let's look at that heat map again. Let's pull that up one more time. There we go. Let's see. Yeah, we were looking at this earlier. The heat map, it looks like there's good short liquidations up here. For like the long liquidation down here, 32.51 million. They might take that just because it's easy. That's at that 64 too. 64.164. It wouldn't surprise me if they tried to take that, and then maybe spike right back up and get this 44.2 million up here at 64.871. Yeah, I don't know. I'm liking what we're seeing here. Hourly MACD is now gaining pace in the bearish zone. Hourly RSI now below the 50 level, 64.2 to 64, and then resistance would be 65,250 to 65.5. Yeah, I think we might hit that pretty soon here. It's hard to get the exact price. Ooh, that's pretty close. 64,201. I'll keep it there. I like that. Guys, the cat has entered the room. She is chilling on the bed. Just in case if you guys hear a cat yelling, that's why. I do actually own a cat. I'm not living in a haunted house. Although I'm pretty sure a couple people have died in my apartment. Man, I'm pretty sure like we knew those people. Like I went to school with one of them. Crazy stuff. Your mom said, I'm like what I'm hearing. I agree. I like what I'm hearing as well. It looks like the dumpage is stopping. What I want to see is just to go, man, my mouse got all crazy there. I wanted to see it go, boop. It just started to go up again. And then break through this little made up resistance line that we drew. And then hopefully that gives it the momentum it needs to break through this upper trend line. Let me go to higher time frame, 4 hour. Yeah, see, we've done this already a couple of times. It looks like they're trying to just grab liquidity up here, wreck some shorts, and keep going up. Let's see. We're on the 4 hour now. Let me delete my little snake lines. You guys got any charts we want to check out, let me know in the chat. I'll check out any charts. I'll just make up whatever TA I want, draw it on there for you, and you can use your bias to determine if you like my TA or not. Let's see. I don't know if there's anything really interesting to look at. We got Bitcoin and ETH. Yeah, ETH just bounced right off that trend line. That's awesome. I like that a lot. I guess let's extend this and see how long it can just hold this trend line for. That'd be cool to see it. 28 by mid-October. I feel like it's probably gonna be more than that. We'll have to see what happens. I'll try not to accidentally delete these off my charts while I'm not streaming. Okay, Bitcoin's coming down some more. Let me go down to 15-minute again. Should I go to the lower time frame? Let's go to like 1 minute. Let's get crazy. Let's get real crazy. Yeah, there we go. Look at this. These people are just tripping out, buying and selling. Man, I remember being that stressed out about trading all the time. Hobbs is making late night pasta. That's such a housewife thing to say. Your mom. Pumptober is on its way. I agree. We are entering Pumptober soon. We got tomorrow. Tomorrow is the monthly close. Tomorrow night. So I'll try to do a stream. I'm sure I'll do a stream. I don't know if I'll make the daily close, but we'll see what we can do. See what we can make happen. Here we go. Oh, new 1 minute candle. It's green. Let's go. Liquidation heat map. What if all this just disappeared? All these longs just closed. That'd be sick. I think I'm reading that correctly. Predicts the price level at which large-scale liquidation events may occur. Okay. Yeah, see, how do I know? There we go. Okay, that's better. 24 hour, 12 hour. Yeah, give me a better. Oh my gosh, that's so much better. Thank you. Can I like... I really can't adjust this. I don't know why they wouldn't just put this on TradingView. That's funny. Yeah, we got this article this dude wrote like 10 minutes ago about what Bitcoin's doing, which, I don't know, it's cool to see the sentiment. Sentiment change that quick. Is Bitcoin heading for a bear market? This, I think, is hilarious. That was 2 weeks ago, though, so let's not look at that. My food has arrived. I guess I might be crunching on stream. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
Alright. Let's see if there's a better article. Ethereum bullish signal. That's 2 weeks ago. Is there any new articles? Do they only write articles every 2 weeks? BitMEX CEO backs meme coin Pepe with $250,000 bet. What? Let's look at Pepe on the 1 minute chart. Let's get crazy, guys. Give me a Middle Eastern name, Ryan. let's hear it. What do you guys got for me? I got no culture. I'm 50% French, 50% Italian, 100% white as fuck. Pepe has the same trend line as ETH. This is the 1 minute chart. I'm sorry. Let me zoom out a little bit. I'm getting crazy. We're getting crazy out here. 11 p.m. stream on a Sunday night. I gotta go to work in the morning, and I got 7-layer dip. Hoffs is making late night pasta. You guys are trying to give me a Middle Eastern name. We're taking out longs on ETH. What's going on right now? Be careful, Hoffs, because if it breaks that, there's nothing. Don't take that long out on account of my technical analysis. This is your trend line. I take no responsibility for your for your decisions. Okay, I like Bitcoin. I really like Bitcoin coming down to this stupid little number. Let me see, 15 minute. I don't remember. Is this number from the article or is this number from what Bath told us? Leftover Subway sandwich. Let's go. Back in my Adderall days, Subway was the only thing I could eat, and now I can't eat it because it reminds me of Adderall. They used to be $5, man. If they were still $5, I'd probably be eating that shit every single day. $5 footlong? Are you kidding me? I saw something. Somebody was like, "How come nobody shops at Subway anymore? Nobody eats Subway anymore." And somebody replied, and they were like, "Nobody wants to pay $10 for something they used to be able to get for $5." And that was like their whole campaign was the price of this sub, and now it's over double. So people are pissed, understandably. Let me make this a little bit smaller. I feel like this is taking up majority of my damn screen. Yeah, Bitcoin's chilling. ETH. Looks okay. $8 with a coupon? Hell yeah. $8 sub with a coupon. That's for a full foot long? That's a pretty good deal. Your mom, I feel your pain. Everybody hates XRP, everybody hates ADA. The problem is, BitBoy still likes to suck on Brad Garlinghouse's dick, but he stopped sucking on Charles. So, we've been abandoned. We've been abandoned by BitBoy. So has his family. We've been abandoned by BitBoy, just like everybody else. Oh shit, we're getting mean. We're getting mean again. Let's see. XRP does look good. I don't really like that. But let's see the broader. Well, hang on. Okay. Yeah, XRP's got a similar trend line. This is on the 15-minute. XRP does look like it's in a bull trend. It's just kind of chilling. It is holding up. I like that. I agree. BitBoy, no. Yeah, BitBoy's an asshole. Let's do drugs and cheat on my wife and kids and not care about them, and then complain that everybody takes all my stuff away. He's a fucking child. But if you're listening to this, Ben, let me interview you, please. I would love to get you on an interview. You know what? Maybe you can change my mind about you. I would love to interview you, and I would love for you to explain to me why you did what you did. Please. Because I used to look up to you. I used to think that you were cool as fuck. And now I'm just disappointed, man. Just disappointed. Bitcoin still doing its thing. Hopefully this is the candle that brings it down. I really just want to see it hit this and hold it. I would love to see a strong bounce off of that. And it looks like it might happen. ADA is doing nothing. ETH is doing nothing. Do I have a Sol chart? I do. Let me pull the Sol chart up there because Sol is ranked higher than ADA. So it just makes sense for it to be same market cap ranking as everything else. Ooh, okay. Sol's getting a decent retrace. Let's see. Does Sol have a trend line like ETH? Let's look at the 4 hour. No, Sol is just kind of going up like crazy. What would it be like that? That's, I guess, similar to the XRP trend line, maybe? Hopefully it can hold that. Let's go back down to 15. Bitcoin, 1.84 down. It's a green candle again. What do you guys got? That is a good song, Ryan. If you haven't seen it, check out the Blues Brothers. I'm pretty sure that's their song. Hilarious movie. The police chase in that movie is epic. I might watch that again. That's a good watch. I watch that at least once a year. Market Maker is evil, but Fahid pointed out in the Discord we haven't had a what did he call it? Fuck. Let me go check. Hold on. We haven't had a flash crash. He said, does anyone find it strange that we haven't had a flash crash? I don't even remember the last one. And he's right. We have not had a flash crash, which scares me because the flash crashes are when all the new people come into the chat and freak out. I used to be one of those people. I used to lose my mind when we had a flash crash. I would come into the chat and be like, what the fuck is going on, guys? Oh my gosh! And everyone probably thought it was hilarious because it is kind of hilarious. But I didn't think it was funny at the time. I was freaking out. You know? Every time a flash crash happened, I'd lose like a couple $100 at least. You know? Oh, man. Yeah, we're getting a green candle. Maybe it doesn't go all the way down that low. Maybe people are trying to front run that. Hoffs, if you're still here, what was the level that Bath said to look for? Was it 64.4? Is that right where we're holding? Yeah, that might have been it. That'd be pretty cool. Ryan, Bitcoin used to dump 10%. Yeah, and then Wall Street got involved and like all the Bitcoin is stuck on their fucking ETFs from 9 to 5. So the boomers can't access it, and they're gonna probably hold it until they die anyways. So we got some boring, which is good for the price of everything else. Bath said 64.3 and 64.1. Let's put those on our chart as well. 64.3. Let me pick a color for Bath. I'm gonna make him like a bath water color. Do the same line. 64.1. Trying to get it as close as I can. I guess I could just zoom in more. 64.1. 64.1. Okay. And 64.3. Sweet. There she is. Ooh, people are commenting on my TikTok videos, guys. Alright, I'm sorry. I probably got really quiet there for a second. UK will save us at 3 a.m. Oh shit, I can't stream it till 3 a.m. I'm gonna get in trouble. Somebody wake up Asia. Aren't they? They're printing and pumping money into their stock market, aren't they? Beth said 10 p.m. and 3 a.m. dumps. You guys are fucking with me, trying to make me stay up late as fuck, aren't you? I would do it if I could. You guys get me to 600 subs, and I'll start doing several hour long streams. You know, if I could monetize my channel, then I'll start doing crazy ass long streams. I'll get my own dedicated computer and shit. We can have fun with it. Ryan said, when was the last time you longed a dip at 11 p.m. on a Sunday and woke up in the green? I feel like Sunday dips are usually, they're like par for the course, at least during the bear market. I guess I never really paid attention if they turned green on Monday or not, though. False move Monday, I think, is the term. But I feel like I haven't even sat on a trade in forever. Like, me personally, when's the last time I opened up a trade and went to bed? It's been probably over 6 months, which is crazy because I used to do that shit non-stop. I used to make pretty good money doing it too. I kind of feel bad. I feel like I'm wasting my skills. Oh no, your mom longed to dip at a Diddy party? Damn, that's fucked up. You're right, Hoffs. I used to be Mr. Night's Watch, and then the chat fell off. We have like 4 people in the chat on like our high traffic days. When it's Night's Watch time, there's 1, and it's me. I'm not gonna sit there and talk to myself anymore. The doctor said I can't do that. Let's see. Let's see if TradingView has any more articles they wanna like influence our bias with. It's a buy on the 15-minute. I think, does this change when I change the time frame? I'm curious. No, it does not. I've always enjoyed looking at this thing. and seeing what it says to do, because it's usually wrong. If you counter trade this, I bet you'd win like more than half the time, because they're not going to tell you what to do. Oh, we're getting some price movement. Shit. Let me go another 15 minute. Oh god, it's happening, guys. It's happening. We broke through. We broke through the 64.3 level. Here it goes. I gotta get some suspenseful music going or something. Suspenseful music. Let me see what I can pull up. Doo doo doo. Bum bum bum. Suspense music. Suspense background music? Fantasy exploration music? Nah. Thriller and mystery? Oh, it's happening more! Oh, shit! Dun dun dun. I'm gonna have to make my own. I'm gonna be the crazy guy. The crazy YouTube guy that makes sounds with his mouth. Shit. I can't find anything good. Ominous suspense. This is like scary. I guess it kind of goes with the theme of the rest of my channel. Narrating spooky stories and shit. Damn. I'm getting an advertisement for AI profits in every market. Skip this fucking thing. Here we go. This is totally gonna be like haunted house music. The fucking dump is over already. I fucked up, guys. I mean, it looks like we're getting our bounce right off that 64.2 level, which is from that article. I would love to see it rocket right off of that, but I think we're gonna get the 64.1 for sure tonight, especially with that coming out of nowhere. Where is that liquidation though? That liquidation is down here. Why is this not 64.164? 64.1. I'm just gonna go right here. 150. So this is a liquidation. We're gonna make it. Well, let's make it like a funky little pink color. Okay, let me read the chat for a second, guys. Horse guy's back. Oh, here we go. We're getting some more volume. I'm liking this. This is fun, guys. I'm having fun. Movie music. Dramatic build-up. The world stands still. This is fucking stupid. I can't get music. We're gonna have to come another day for some music. Yep, it's all red candles for Heed. We're going down. It's going down. It's about to go down. Fahid is actually biblically one of the 4 horsemen of the apocalypse. Hoffs. that's just my YouTube. I don't have any like alternative accounts. You know, I'm not trying to hide my identity, but I do enjoy hiding my Twitter from you because it's quite funny. I gotta make sure it's not in my fucking descriptions on any of my videos now. Fahid, you can't hear anything? Can you hear me? There's no way. Don't fuck it up. Nobody tell Hoffs my Twitter. I could raise my volume a smidge. What if I just talk really, really loud? Oh shit, I think I just fucked up my mic. Let me see. Can I change this? There's like audio filters, advanced audio properties. Yeah, I don't think I can do anything for that. I think I just need a better mic, guys. Bitcoin's going back up again, though. That might have been it. That stupid little article. Nope, I think they're tricking people because they got those liquidations right there. 64, what was it? 64, 164. There's no way they're not going to take that. That would be crazy for them to leave that down here. And they got so close. 64, 160. Yeah, I feel like they're tricking people right now. I feel tricked. I'm not going to let them trick me. Fahid said, you hear me on the right side, which is weird. That is weird. That might have to do with my settings, but I'm not sure. If it wasn't like that before, then I haven't changed my settings, so it might be on your end. But I am deaf in my right ear, so usually I do change my audio settings so that everything comes out of the left headphone. So if it was on any other device, I would say that that might be on my end, but I have not done that on this computer, so. Hoffs, that's funny that you think I have a private key for my ADA, and it's not just all in Charles's possession. Can you guys hear me chewing? Is that gross? Is that rude? I got 10 people here. Guys, I got 7-layer dip. It's got, I don't think it actually has 7 layers. I just call it 7-layer dip because I've always called it that. It's got cream cheese. It's got chili. It's got cheese. It's got tomatoes. It's got black olives. I think that's it. And then you use tortilla chips, and it's fucking delicious. I highly recommend it. If you want the recipe, let me know. Come to the Discord, and I'll share it in the Discord. It's amazing. Beans. There is no beans. There's no beans. It is no bean chili that you get for it's like hot dog chili, but you got to get no beans because the beans fuck with the texture. Let's see if Bitcoin's gonna keep going up. That blows my mind if they don't come down. Yep, I think they're gonna wick right down there real quick. Grab that. Let's go to the 1 minute again. Let's get crazy. Let's get crazy, guys. Is it gonna do this funky shit? It did this and then it chopped sideways and boop. So is it gonna do that again? What is that? 237 to 308. So that is 30 minutes. So we gotta wait 30 fucking minutes for that shit to play out? That'd be stupid. Yeah, subscribe and like the channel, guys. Let me know in the chat. Do you guys prefer Jimmy John's or Jersey Mike's? And it specifically has to be the Italian sub. It cannot be any other kind of sub. If you haven't had the Italian sub from either place, you're not allowed to participate. Jimmy John's or Jersey Mike's? I need all 9 people watching to answer. Bitcoin 1 minute. Still doing our little song and dance. Nothing really happening. Bitcoin price growth. Yep, that's the same article. Let's go to ETH. ETH really likes that trend line. That's crazy. That's 2 hits to the downside. That might be a double bottom on the 1 minute chart. We might be getting a little funky. I like it. Solana 1 minute looks like it's setting up inverse head and shoulders. Could be in for a $1 pump. ADA oddly looks similar to Solana, but slightly less bearish. As in the price didn't go down as much. Probably did, actually. Percentage wise, it probably did. I'm not even going to measure it. I'm not going to embarrass myself. Any other coins? Any other coins? You guys got any coins you want me to look at? Or do we just want to continue to stare at Bitcoin? Ponk. Not really doing much. Sol again. Let's go back to Bitcoin. We got all these lines. We're going crazy. It's like a rave. We're doing like midnight blacklight bowling. You guys ever been blacklight bowling? Blacklight bowling is so much fun. Bowling in general is fun. I feel like I haven't been bowling in quite a while. I gotta go bowling. We went to a roller rink for my niece's birthday. It was so much fun. I grew up playing hockey, and we used to have a local roller rink. We used to go to, like, our school did a monthly roller rink night, and it was so much fun. I like lived at that place. And they tore it down, and they made it an empty lot to sell parking spaces when the fair comes into town. Devastated. I was so devastated when that happened. I like what am I gonna do as a fucking 10, 15-year-old kid? I'm like, I'm gonna boycott that fucking that empty lot, and I'm never gonna park there. Nobody gives a shit. I was so upset, man. Hoffs, you've never had the Italian sub. How are you gonna judge a sub place and not have an Italian sub? That's crazy. Crazy to me. You gotta go Italian. You can try the other stuff, but Italian's the only one you can judge. I don't know. I wish we had a firehouse locally. Firehouse is amazing. There's a place out here called Ventimiglia's. Actually, I'm gonna force you guys to watch that. I just want to show you the subs. I'm going to go Ventimiglia's Detroit. Yeah, here we go.
Don't trade alone.
Oh my gosh. Shield. Plug your ears for a second, guys. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh, trade with me live using one strategy, and I'll help you. Old school. Everything we can cram.
Okay, I just want to go to the sandwich part. Look at that.
Subs every day.
Ooh, I'm so sorry. If you guys are hungry, I'm going to apologize. This is amazing.
And the bread makes all the difference. Just the secret to a good sandwich is bread. And these rolls are great. I think it's
Right there, man.
sandwich is bread. And these rolls are great.
Come on. Oh, I want one so bad. I don't know why I just did that to myself. Back to Bitcoin 1 minute chart. We got a big red candle. Oh shit. What do we got? I'm gonna read the chat for a second. They closed the firehouse by you? What? That's like blasphemy. No, I'm not gonna get premium. Why would I pay for YouTube premium? It's a waste of money. I usually have ad block, but I'm trying to make money off ads, so why would I block them? You know? Not that I can monetize my channel yet, but I just haven't installed it on this computer. Good rolls, peas and sauce. Yeah, I don't know what that peas and sauce thing was, but the sub, man. Whew. If you ever come to Michigan, you got to go to Ventimiglia's. I believe it's on 14 Mile in Sterling Heights. It is the greatest sub sandwich you will ever have. Fahid, you've never tried Firehouse? I've had Firehouse once, and it was when I was down in North Carolina. I believe it's called Firehouse because they, like, some of their profits benefit firefighters or something like that. And their sandwiches, like everything, all the other sandwich shops that I've tried to go to bat for, Firehouse blows them all out of the water, except for Ventimiglia's. But Ventimiglia's is a mom and pop shop, so it doesn't really count. Firehouse is a franchise, and as far as franchises are concerned, in my opinion, out of the ones that I've tried, Firehouse is number one. Smitty Werben Jagerband Jensen. He was number one. Bitcoin's doing its thing still. Can we get some let's get some short volume, guys. Come on, the bears really aren't putting up a fight right now. You guys want that liquidation or what? You're gonna make us wait until 3 a.m.? That's so lame. Let's get some more activity in the chat, guys. We got 11 people watching, 10 people watching. I don't see that many likes. Hit that like button. What do we got? What do we want to do? Do you guys want to talk about conspiracy theories or something? I think the emergency stream is over. Hopefully they come back down and take this. This 164 liquidation. Like I said though, it's not. I mean, it didn't seem like that much. Maybe it's more now. 29.47. I'm not sure. Does this refresh? Oh. Did they close it? Okay, no, it's just not as crazy. Let me go down to the 12-hour again. Yeah. Oh, did that? I think it cleared it. I think they liquidated them. 21. Maybe not. I don't know. It looks like a lot of stuff closed. That might have been it, guys. Liquidation heat map. That might have been all the action. I can zoom way in on this. That's nice. Can I, like... Why can't I pull it up? Like, make the candles taller. 16, 21, 0, 0. Yeah, there's nothing. They might come up here and take this now. 45 mil. What is this, though? 42? I don't know. Nothing left for liquidations. That's what it seems like, Fahid. It looks like, because that we had a bunch of yellow right here, and it's gone now. So I don't know if they got liquidated or if they closed. Maybe that's what caused this candle. Maybe it got right here, and they were like, fuck this, and they closed their thing so that they didn't get liquidated, and it went right back up. I'm not sure. I'd be interested in finding out, though. But yeah, that big yellow area is gone. They were supposed to go down to that pink line. They got pretty close. They got really close. Maybe, you know what? Maybe they did get liquidated. They probably hit it on a different exchange. That's probably what happened. Offset Chili's held. Everything did pretty good. I'm actually quite impressed. Like, nobody really gave a shit about Bitcoin. Which is nice. I guess not as much as they usually do. That explains why Bitcoin dominance kind of took a little poo-poo. Yeah. I don't know, guys. I don't want to call it too early, but how long have I been here? Been here... Ooh, I've been here over an hour? What? That's crazy. Bitcoin dominance bear flag? Let's go check it out. Bitcoin dominance bear flag. If I'm being totally real with you, I don't know what the fuck a bear flag looks like. What time frame is that bear flag on? UFOs real? Or us from in the future? That's a good question. It could be us from within the future. I was talking about it the other day. I feel like there's a good chance that UFOs are coming from underground. There's been like a lot of videos of people seeing them around volcanoes and stuff. And all of our resources are underground. Our oil's underground. We drill wells for water underground. The Earth's core is underground. And being closer to the Earth's core, maybe they know more about gravity. Maybe they invented these gravity-defying flying machines. Kind of makes sense. I don't know. Food for thought. A lot of food talk. I got this dip sitting in front of me. I'm ready to dig into it if I'm being completely honest. Yeah, Bitcoin dominance. Apparently that's a bear flag. Yeah, Jordan did pull out. I'm kind of mad that I didn't see this. Total 3 broke out. Right. Let me back up a little. I should have went to the daily. Go to the daily. Right here. We had a descending channel. Now all my lines are fucking pink. Where's my blue? Nope. So it was like a descending channel, I think. And it broke out. I don't know. Whatever you want to do with that. Bronson's gonna get mad that I didn't use the wicks, but it's not that's not something I do. We don't pay attention to the wicks here, guys. We're rebels. But we do pay attention to the candles, so I'm gonna go down here. Yeah, It just looks like a descending channel. Broke out. It might come back down for a retest. I don't know. Boop. Bam. We'll have to see. We'll have to see what happens. I'll keep that on the charts too. Go back up. Bitcoin doing its thing still. Let me zoom in again. 15-minute. Yeah, it might come back down. It might come down and hit that. Let's refresh the liquidation heat map since it doesn't auto refresh for some reason. Zoom in, zoom, zoom, zoom. You guys remember those old Mazda commercials where the little boy's like, zoom, zoom? I don't know why I thought that those commercials were really cool when I was a kid. Probably because there was a kid in it, and I was like, oh shit, he's like me. 24, see, there's liquidation leverage right here, 24.36 million at 64181. That's crazy. Did people open up longs down there already? We already freaking hit that. What are they at, 100x? They're gonna get liquidated right there? These people are nuts. That's definitely what's happening. More logs are opening up. I don't get it, man. I don't get it. People just don't learn. I do the same shit, so I don't know why I'm talking crap. I do the exact same thing. Let's see. Yeah, it's probably gonna do the double bottom thing, where it's gonna curl up like this, and then it's gonna go a little bit lower, and then it's gonna go up again. That's probably what it's gonna do. Maybe not though. Let's zoom out. Look what it's been doing. Kind of compare it. That's usually what I like to do. Bitcoin has as much recency bias as everybody else. Yeah, see this right here? We got a little peak, another peak with the same exact valley, went almost down to the same exact level, and then it poked through. It's probably going to start to do that. This was the first peak, second peak right here, and then it would come back down to this trend line. It might not though, it might not go that low, because we got a lot of people with eyes on Bitcoin right now. And that's probably going to do the same thing. Like huge upside, and then equally as huge downside. People are going to get really upset because they're probably, like a bunch of people are going to buy right here, and then it's going to go up, and then everyone's going to be like, oh, I got to buy now, and then it's going to go down, and it's going to bounce right here, and they're going to sell right here, and they're going to be like, Bitcoin's fucked again, and then it's going to continue up. Everyone's got recency bias. CT, turn volume up. I just got to talk louder. I got to get a new mic. I'm sorry. Sorry guys, it's Sunday night. it's 11:30 p.m. I'm tired. I got 7-layer dip waiting for me to eat it. Probably gonna call it here soon. If you could hit the like button, it'd be appreciated. If you like the stream, you should probably subscribe, because I'm gonna be doing crypto live streams probably every day, every other day at least. And I also narrate spooky stories. And I upload a crap ton of shorts because the shorts do really good. I'm trying to get to 600 subs for a face reveal. We're going to set a milestone for 1,000 subs as well. Check out the description. We got a link to our Discord in there. Any votes, like what we do for 1,000 subs and stuff, will probably take place in that Discord. Hoffs is the man that runs the Discord. He said his ETH long is working, which is great. He said to draw this this trend line. We drew the trend line, and number go up. We like number go up. That's the main goal here, is number go up. Whether that's your profits going up from shorting, or the actual price going up, and you longed and the number goes up in general. Don't need many spooky stories, just want some good entries for shorts and longs. Alright, well, I'll be your guy for that, if you allow me to. So, yeah, I think we're in a good place, guys. I don't know, Bitcoin's kind of stagnating, but ETH wants to go up. Bitcoin dominance wants to go down, which to me is a really good sign. Bitcoin might just stagnate and alts might start to run for a little bit. Who knows? We'll have to see. Check dogs. I like to short and long this guy. Let's take a look at it. Take a look at dogs before we go. Dogs USDT on Binance. You said you like to long and short this. It looks like it's got a lot of potential for longing and shorting. I like it. What is this project? Tell us about it. Let's see. Okay. Had a big hype launch, it looks like. At least on Binance. It's kind of cooling off ever since. Yeah, it looks like a lot of potential for trading. Especially right here. And this you got 3 hits to the downside right here. Might start to go up after that. It could just be kind of ranging though. But the range is great for trading. You know, wherever you're gonna draw the line. I would like to see another peak before I kind of agreed on this. But it does literally just looks like a chopping sideways crab range, which is the best for trading. Because everything gets super obvious when the price action does that. So, yeah. Dogs looked good. You guys got anything else? Zoom in. Yeah, I think Bitcoin's going to start to go back up again, which will be cool. But we'll have to see. Glad that ETH long is working out. Offs. Let's see, Sol's starting to go up too. Ada's like trying. Swee's going up. Like everything's bouncing a little bit. I like this. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. Ooh, wow, look at that volume. We should have bought Ponk on stream, guys. Why didn't you guys tell me to buy this? What the hell? You guys are supposed to be making my investment decisions for me. Fahid said Cat Dog. Do they have trading views? Yes, they do. Let's go. Cat Dog. Used to love that show. Kind of gives me the creeps now. It's very eerie. It's almost like Backrooms vibe because there's like nothing going on in the background. Trying to pop now that you want to end. I know I can't fucking leave. Every time I try to leave, everything starts to fucking moon. I'm like, damn, I just want to eat my 7-layer dip, man. I don't want to be chewing into the mic because we might have new people here. They're gonna be like, who's this gross dude just eating and looking at charts? This fucking weirdo, but can't help it. Cat Dog, mild uptrend. Look at this craziness. Looks like it had some hype. Just today. This is a 15-minute chart. Okay. Looks like it's got some pretty decent interest. I don't know. I want to go back here with this trend line. That might be it. Right there. Yeah. Cat Dog looks like it could be a decent play, along with everything else. Not mad at it. Let's look at higher time frame. Yeah. Could be a bottoming pattern. Ooh. What do we got here? Yeah, see, it looks like 3 hits and then it broke through that. But maybe a lot of times I've seen this pattern repeat, specifically with ADA. So it might, yeah, that line looks pretty close. I don't know, it might just kind of start to do that. Who knows? Just speculation. Yeah, I don't mind that. You guys got anything else? Let's look at Bitcoin again. Okay, there we go. Bitcoin's going up again. Sweet. Very nice. We like that. Let's see. Another 15-minute. Yeah, that ETH long is probably doing really good right now, Fahid. Hell yeah. That's awesome. Let me just Give me a second to play with my bags. Bitcoin. Yeah. Let's check out the heat map one more time. Refresh. Since it doesn't auto refresh for us for some reason. Gotta zoom in. Yeah, they might be coming up here for this 51.97 million. Is that longs though? No, that doesn't make any sense. Why is it on the left side of the candles? Like, why is some of it over here and some of it's over there? Wouldn't it make more sense to just have them all along the right side? I guess I gotta learn how to read this better. Liquidation leverage 45.09, then right here it says 51.97. That is at 64,845. So what if it just kind of goes up there and touches that, and then continues down? Let's see if that happens. 64,845. Right there. Mic down. Yeah, right there. Let's see if it just kind of goes up there and pokes that and continues down. I know I got a million lines on my chart, but we're experimenting. What do you guys think? Do you guys think we're in for a longer retrace? I feel like we've been going up for quite some time. Left side was eaten. Fahid said left side was eaten, so right side is next. Okay. So if it's behind the candles, it's happened already. The liquidations have happened already. Okay, I like that. I like that explanation. It's kind of like Pac-Man, like a funky ass Pac-Man. Thank you, Fahid. That puts it into easier to digest terms for me, for my little like reluctant TA brain. Market Cipher. CT, thank you so much. I've been trying to think of the name of that indicator for like 4 days. You said it printed a red dot a few weeks ago on the monthly. What does that mean? Yeah, right there. You're right. But that was a few weeks ago. That was right here. Probably at 72. And we've already kind of went down to 48. So I think that that's a fair pullback. I guess I don't really know though. RSI just kind of looks... No? The RSI is above the... whatever the, I don't know what that yellow line is. Oh shit. Okay, good. Sometimes I do stuff to my trading view and I don't know how to fix it, and I kind of panic because how do you Google half that stuff? You know, how do I make the RSI not full screen in my trading view? Like that's such a convoluted Google phrase, you know? I don't know how to look up that stuff. Yeah, we got what if it's doing what it did here? Where it retraces, right here, it went from 64 after this red dot down to 28. So 64 down to 28. That's a 56% retrace. If this is believed to be the first peak, which I'm not saying it is, I personally don't think it is, but it could be, you know. If it is, right where this red dot happened, that doesn't really make sense, because that didn't hit a new high. But let's just take a look. We said 56, so that would put us down. Yeah, no, I don't think that's going to happen. 32.5, that's nuts. But if it did, then that would be it. See, but we've already had so many candles past that, so I don't know if that's even viable to even consider. But yeah, we did get a red dot on the monthly. Market Cipher. Let's go back down to 15 minutes. looking good. Looking very good. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Like I said, if we on this liquidation heat map come up and get that 45 mil right at 65,049. Oh, did that move? Oh no, okay. Excuse me. So that was what I was considering before I knew how this heat map works. 65,049. Let's move this then to where it's actually supposed to be. 65,049. I'm gonna put it exactly where it needs to be. 4, 3, 4. This is gonna take forever, man. There's no better way to do this. Right there. Draw a trend line on the RSI support on that monthly chart. We broke. So let me go to the monthly. Trend line on the RSI support. Talking. So RSI support. This? What do you mean? Draw a trend line on the RSI support on that monthly chart. We broke. Oh, I understand. It's the upper trend line. Okay. I'm a little slow. It's Sunday night. We did break. You're right. That seems kind of bullish to me. Maybe it'll come back down for a retest. Maybe down to like 61. That's going to take forever, though. It's a monthly chart. That would suck. Yeah. We did break, though. I don't know if you were here earlier. We were looking at... Was it the 4 hour? I think it was the daily. Let me go to the daily. There is bullish div on the daily time frame. From right here. From August 5th. So the price went down. RSI is going up. We do got bullish div confirmed there. Fahid, you use your phone for everything, man. You gotta get a laptop, I'm telling you. Go on eBay. Look for a refurbished MacBook Pro. $300 can be from 2019. That's the one that I got. It's super nice. I can actually even stream on it. I tried it the other day. It doesn't look that great, but I could do it. Everything else I do on it though, all my video editing, my spooky videos and stuff, you can do anything with that thing. I think you have a laptop though. I think you just need to use your laptop. Maybe I'm mistaken. If I am, just tell me to shut up. But I can't use my phone for stuff, man. My thumbs are too big. I can't chart anything. Sometimes there's like a delay. I'm just not a phone person. You guys know though, you know, I did just recently get a big boy phone. I had a Kroger phone, like a $40 Kroger phone, up to a certain up to like last year. So maybe I have no room to talk. Maybe actual phones are decent for doing stuff, and I just don't know what an actual phone is like. We are learning together, you're right, Hoffs. It is a never-ending learning experiment, and my favorite thing to learn is food, because it has the highest risk-reward ratio. Well, guys, I think we staved off the emergency. I think I started my stream like up here. Actually, let's get that exact time. Started my stream an hour and 45 ago. So that would be 7 15-minute candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I think I started my stream after the emergency. But thank you guys all for joining. I'll probably see you tomorrow. Please hit the like button on your way out. Unless you hit it already, just make sure you like the video. If you're new here, consider subscribing, and I'll see you all.